When starting a project with Bob's, you will be given access to our project management software, BuilderTrend. This software helps you stay updated on your project all throughout the process. You can see what step in the process we're at and what's scheduled next, and in many different views. You can also send messages back and forth to team members working on your build if you have any questions. BuilderTrend also houses all related documents to your project, so everything you need is just a click away. And it lets you see photos of your project as it passes through each step, giving you total transparency every step of the way. It's just another no-brainer here at Bob's Containers.